Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry turkey wings using an easy method. First, ensure your turkey wings are thoroughly cleaned and patted dry. Next, cut each wing into 2 or 3 manageable pieces at the joints. This helps them cook evenly and absorb flavor better. Finally, gather all your curry spices, fresh aromatics, and other ingredients before you begin cooking. Now, let's create that amazing flavor. In a large bowl, combine your curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 teaspoons of black pepper, and any other desired seasonings. Stir in finely chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Rub this aromatic mixture generously over all the turkey wing pieces. For best results, let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Brown the marinated turkey wings on all sides until golden. Then, add about 1 cup of water or chicken broth to the pot. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the wings are fork tender and the sauce has thickened nicely. Your delicious curry turkey wings are ready. For a fresh touch, garnish them with some chopped fresh cilantro or sliced scallions. These wings are fantastic served hot alongside fluffy white rice, warm roti, or even a simple green salad. Get ready to enjoy the rich, aromatic, and deeply satisfying flavors of your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.